everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Grace, and I love sharing gardening tips, tricks, and design ideas to help your garden flourish. Today, we're diving into something a bit more technical but also fun: how to pollinate roses. If you've ever wanted to produce your own rose hybrids or simply help your roses reproduce naturally, this is the perfect video for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk a bit about how pollination works. Roses, like many plants, rely on pollination to produce seeds. This happens when pollen from the male part of the flower, the stamen, is transferred to the female part, the pistil. In nature, this often happens thanks to bees or the wind. But as gardeners, we can help things along through hand pollination. Here's what you'll need: a small brush or cotton swab to collect the pollen, tweezers to carefully remove petals if needed, and a small container to store the pollen. It's a simple process, but be sure to do this on a sunny day when your roses are dry for the best results. Let's take a look at this video on how to pollinate roses.
Pollinating season, and I want to show you how we do the pollination process. So we have this plant, which is the mother plant. It has a specific code, and we have a father, which is in this case. In this case are the pollen, which are dried, and the pollen dust we're going to apply to the flower. So we open the basket, and then we look right in here is the pollen dust. The pollen dust we get onto our brush, we get the flower, and we pollinate the flower like this. This will give us seed, and we have just created a new rose for the future. Bye!
And that's it. Hand-pollinating roses is a wonderful way to create new varieties or simply help your garden grow. If you try this, I'd love to hear how it goes. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!